about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Allison, what you doing?
Sewing some sheets.
On a Barbie sewing machine?
Yes, isn't it cute? I'm sewing some sheets for the she shed.
Oh.
My big idea here is what I like to refer to as mattress case. And basically I treat the mattress like a pillow. So I take two sheets, I sew them together, and then I put them on the mattress just like you would put a pillowcase on a pillow. It sounds complicated, and people are like, oh my God, you really got all that much work just to get a sheet on your bed? Why don't you just like buy some fitted sheets at like Bed Bath & Beyond and stuff like everybody else? Well, because Bed Bath & Beyond does not make sheets for sailboats, neither does anybody else in the entire universe. They have to be custom made. So, I can do this myself on my Barbie sewing machine, or I can spend, I think one set of sheets is like $300 or $400, and to me the quality isn't even that good. So this is a good quality fabric that I picked out, color that I liked. I'm not limited to just white, and I can pick up a couple of sheets at Target, sew them together, and I've got a bed.
Check out that Barbie sewing machine.
It works. It costs $58 on Amazon Prime.
All right.
Bueno, sí, estamos aquí barachando, descargando. ¡Ajá! ¡Sabroso!
So the day that we had been waiting for, Tuesday, October the 25th, finally came. What's so special about that day? Well, that was the day that we were due to set off for Tiger Point so that we could get our haul out and get the work done that we needed on the boat. It was a beautiful day, and we had a beautiful sail. All our Dock 5 family came out to say goodbye to us. It's a bittersweet goodbye because we really love our friends there at Brunswick Landing Marina, but I'm sure we will be back. So we'll see you soon, BLM. For now, we got to go get our boat taken care of at Tiger Point. Well, hello everybody, and thanks for stopping to check out the next episode of Sailing Alley Cat.
Hey, everyone.
Dave, what is that in the background back there?
That's the Sydney Lanier Bridge.
What? So Sydney Lanier Bridge? What does that mean? What I think it means, Dave?
I can even hear it. I can hear the motor. We're moving.
The boat has left Brunswick Landing Marina. We are on the boat that has left Brunswick Landing Marina, and we are headed out to sea, never to return again. No, I'm just kidding.
Not never, but
Where are we going, Dave?
going down to Fernandina Beach, which is about a 45 miles stretch. So there's supposed to be small craft advisories today, so I was kind of worried it's going to be a little rough. But it's beautiful out. I mean, it's not enough wind to sail right now. It might pick up a little bit, but yeah, we're heading south.
So we're headed to Tiger Point. We're going to have the boat hauled out for the first time since we put it in. Saltwater 2 years ago at, what was it?
Two-way boatyard.
Two-way boatyard. So we're getting the bottom painted. What else are we getting done?
Cutlass bearing, rudder bearings, and numerous other things.
Too much to mention, a lot of stuff.
Yep.
So everyone's asking us, how long do you think you're going to be in the yard?
And I even asked the yard that.
And they said?
Longer than we think.
That's not a good sign, everybody. Not a good sign. So we're dropping off our baby at Tiger Point on Tuesday morning for haul out at 9:30, and they will proceed with the work list. We will not live on the boat because there's just too much work that needs to be done. So we will be in a hotel, and as of right now, I do not know where I will be sleeping Tuesday night. I'm sure we'll figure it out, but we're going to be in a hotel somewhere. We're going to take all of our winter stuff off of the boat, and I have an elaborate cardboard box system set up in the trunk of the car that we will be living out of for the next, I don't know how long, until we're notified our boat is done. We're going to go to Colorado, see our youngest daughter Emily, and meet her new boyfriend Hank. Hey Hank! And then we also are going to be going to New Hampshire to see our oldest daughter Laura, who is at any second, maybe even right now, giving birth to our new grandbaby, Finnegan Sean Youngberg. He's not here yet, but we don't know if he's here yet because she's not letting us know. So we're waiting patiently, but it should be any time now. So we're terribly excited about that. So we're gonna go up and see our new grandbaby for Thanksgiving. Hopefully when Thanksgiving is over and we get back down here, I'm praying and Dave is praying that the work on our boat will be done and we will be able to put it back in the water. And drum roll, please. Where are we going, Dave?
Give you a guess. Fresh, beautiful sand beaches, clear water, tropical breezes.
Are you talking about the Bahamas? Yes.
None other than.
Yeah, we're going back to the Bahamas. So we're looking forward to that. So we'll be bringing you some information in regards to what we'll be doing in regards to preparing to go to the Bahamas. But for right now, we have set sail from Brunswick. We are on our way to Tiger Point. Looks like we might be motoring for today. So let's just see how the day goes and see what it brings. Well, good morning from Fernandina Beach. We had a lovely night rest last night, and we have woke up, and it is a glorious morning. And we have a slip reserved over at Tiger Point Marina, and we are getting, I literally just rolled out of bed, me and Dave, and gonna pull up the anchor and go over there and get our spot at the marina. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. All right.
People always asking why I can't see you. When we gon' link, I'm busy, like, you know, but yeah, we outside today. If you really looking for me, I'm miles away. I be with my peoples in the hideaway. They can only see me on the holidays. All the years my dad been locked up, now he finally free. Breaking generational curses, yeah, that started with me. So all my fams and my friends, they depending on me. All this pressure on my back and I can hardly breathe. Ain't no shame in my game, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Got the heart of a lion, so they know I'm a king. People see me all the time and say you doing your thing. Then they hit me back saying, yo, when we gon' link? But I ain't got the time today. But I probably hit you if I'm round the way. I be in the crib, that's where I hibernate. They can only see me on the holidays, yeah.
When they see me, it's different forms. Cause we steady elevating through the storm. Ain't no putting off, yeah, we just putting on.
And just like that, we're moored up at Tiger Point, ready for our haul out at 9:30 Tuesday morning. Nice place. Very calm, quiet, very peaceful here this morning. We're the first ones here, it seems like. I'll take a tour of the facility a little bit later on and give you guys a little bit more footage of it. For now, we gotta go tidy up the boat. Well, it is the afternoon. We have been working all day long. Dave, what have you been doing today?
Watching you work.
Yeah, that's pretty much what. Well, he has been offering opinions and advice and criticism, so I'm very appreciative of the help that he did give me.
No, she's not.
Anyway, so he didn't do anything.
I did some stuff.
I don't know what he did. I had to unpack the boat, though. It was my responsibility to pack. I really have been quite overwhelmed. We don't know how long the boat is going to be here at Tiger Point, although it is looking favorable. I'll explain that in just a little bit. Don't really know how long we are going to be here. We could go down to Florida if the boat is here too long, and maybe I might need all my summer clothes. I don't know where we're going. We're going to Colorado. I need all my winter clothes. I just got overwhelmed, so I decided to pack every single thing I owned into the car.
Tried to. It wouldn't fit.
Well, yeah, I tried. But
when it wouldn't fit, she finally realized, oh, maybe there's a flaw in this plan. You think? That would be my criticism.
All right, so maybe he was right about that. Everything I own on the boat would not fit in the car. All right, it actually didn't work out. It didn't work out too bad, though. I only ended up bringing just a few things back, and so that it wasn't too terribly bad.
Okay, define a few things. I
Two
counted
boxes.
about 20 dresses. How many shoes?
All right, we got it sorted out. The car is packed.
We're done.
We're sorted out and we're packed. He finally convinced me that we're just going to go to Colorado and then we'll come back, and then if we need to get more clothes, we'll get more clothes at that point in time.
Hey, he slowed down. I want to wave at him.
Okay. All right, yeah. So not everybody.
Sorry, I didn't realize I came up this far in the creek.
Thank you.
Very well.
They don't all slow down.
I know. I was like, I came up, I saw the sign, and I should have stopped down there sooner.
All right. No problem, man. Thank you.
That is super nice guy. We have had a little bit of problem with people flying through here and waking us today. And then me trying to get all my dresses and shoes off the boat and everything. It's been fun. Anyway, so I got it done. I got the boat unpacked. I got all our stuff that we want to take with us for the next couple of weeks in the car. Also, another thing that made me unpack some of the stuff from the car was we just got off the phone with Tiger Point. Dave, what did Terry have to tell us?
So miraculously, the part that we've been waiting on for about 3 months, if not longer, has come in. The raw water pump for our generator showed up today, so that'll be done. They looked at the chain plates and said they can do that easily. That'll be good. Yeah, everybody's saying no problem, no problem, no problem.
All right, so the generator part is in. The chain plate situation, which we thought was going to be...
They thought, I didn't think.
They thought was going to be a huge headache, has turned out to be not that big of a deal.
Yep.
What is the other things that we got?
The only other parts we may worry on is the cutlass bearing and the rudder bearings, if we need to do those. And
Okay. But we don't know if we need to do those or not, so we don't know if we need to order a part.
Cutlass bearing we know we need.
Okay.
We should be able to get a cutlass bearing.
Oh, jeez, who knows?
But their thing, I don't think it's going to be more than a couple of weeks, a month at the longest. I shouldn't say that.
You shouldn't say that. You just jinxed us, and we are never going to see this boat again.
But we're hauling out tomorrow morning at 9:30.
Mm-hmm.
And we're in a creek, so it has real high current, so it has to be right at 9:30.
Yes, so we have been given specific directions.
Yep.
You be there or be squared. All right. So
Peace out.
So that's what we got going on. We'll talk to you guys later. So hey everybody, thanks for stopping by to check out episode 42 of Sailing Ellicott. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I hope that you'll consider doing so. Just hit that big red subscribe button down below. And if you have a friend who you think might be interested in what we got going on, please feel free to share. Like, comment, ask us a question. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned to our next video, because the next video will be us actually doing the haul out at Tiger Point, and I've got some fantastic footage for you guys. So we'll see you in the next video, and until then, be good to one another.